Hey guys, welcome back to another Friday on my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Gigi Hadid inspired makeup look, and the reason I'm doing this video is because I've been watching her new, her mom's show, Yolanda Hadid's Making a Model, and it inspired me to make this look because I love Gigi so much, and because it's a look that makeup lovers and non-makeup lovers can do because it's so simple but very elegant. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So I prime my face with the Benefit Professional, and then I use Cover FX drops in the color Moonlight, and I put it all over my face before my foundation just to give me a more glowy effect. And then I use the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in the color Santa Fe, and I really like this foundation because it's super glowy, it's very natural, and it's not very cakey. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows with Anastasia's brow pencil in the color Medium Brown, and then I'm going to use Makeup Forever's brow pencil. And I'm going to use this one more because this one's a lot easier to give like a natural eyebrow look, since you can go in more and do little strokes instead of doing a more defined brow. So what I'm doing is I just defined my eyebrow, and then I'm going in the front first, and I'm just doing little strokes upwards just to give like a natural look, and I'm not like shading it in. And then I'm just going to continue doing little strokes all throughout my eyebrow. And now, nothing new, I'm just going to gel my eyebrows with the Anastasia Brow Gel. So now I'm just going to conceal my eyebrows, and I'm only going to do the bottom just so it's defined more. I'm not going to do the top just because if I do the top, it won't make it look as natural. So now I'm going to be using Kylie's Royal Peach palette, and I'm just going to be using this brown color right there. And since her eyes are really natural, I'm not going to do much. So I'm just going to start off with that. So now I'm going to be using this more orangey color, and I'm just going to bring it up right here, and I'm not going to do too much. Just going to blend it in my outer corner. So now I'm just going to be using my Shade to Light Kat Von D contour kit, and I'm just going to use this middle color to deepen up the eye look, and I'm just going to put it right here and just pat it on and blend it in a little bit. So I'm pretty much done with this eye, and now I'm going to go off camera and do this eye. So I finished my other eye, and I really like it just because it's so simple, and I'm not used to simple. I always do like a crazy look, but now it's nice to like take a step back and focus on my face instead of my eyes. So next I'm going to conceal my under eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to put it on my pimples because Tarte Shape Tape does have vitamin E, so it helps with like pimples and stuff like that. So now I'm going to set my under eyes with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm gonna, yeah, that's it. And now I'm just gonna bronze up my face with the Hoola bronzer, and I'm not gonna keep it like precise or anything. I'm just gonna try and like bronze up my entire face. So now I'm gonna go back in with my Kat Von D Shade to Light palette, and I'm gonna use this color to now go more defined with the contour, and I'm going to bring it more up instead of sideways. So now I'm just going to contour my nose, and I'm going to use the same shade, the middle shade, and just bring it up down. So now I'm going to go in with my So Hollywood highlight by Anastasia. And I like this highlight because it gives that like beaming effect of a highlight, but it's also very natural and it's buildable. And now I'm just going to grab a smaller brush and tap into the highlight and then highlight my nose. And I'm going to grab an even smaller brush and highlight my inner corner, my brow bone, and my cupid's bow. So now I'm going to go back in with my Shade to Light palette again, and I'm going to use the medium color that I was using before, and I'm going to use it to smoke out my under my eyes. So now I'm going to use the darkest shade on the Shade to Light palette, and I'm going to put it tight into my waterline on my outer corner to smoke it out. So I'm going to be using the Andrea lashes in number 45. And I'm using these because in Gigi's pictures, she doesn't have like thick eyelashes. She has more of long lashes, and these look like that. So now lastly I'm going to do lips, and I'm going to line my lips with the NYX lip liner in the color Hot Red. And then I'm going to use Sleek Makeup red lip in the color Regal. Now the final step, I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. So this is my Gigi Hadid makeup inspired look. I think I did a really good job at recreating her very simple but glowy kind of glam look, and I chose this makeup look because usually I don't do something very simple. So I'm really happy with how it turned out, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching another video, and this is the 4th week in a row that I actually post something, so I'm really happy that I've been really consistent this year. And may not be a big thing to other people, but for me it is, because it shows that I'm actually putting an effort this year. So yeah. And I'll see you guys next Friday with a new video. Thank you. Bye. Use it to, or my waterline on my outer corner, and use it tight.
Use it tight.
Use it tight.
Use it tight.